focus and water. How many pieces are in one? So you're gonna get 5?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So then we all need like, let's see, milk, eggs, and a little bit of spices that we didn't have. Oops. Okay, Zafir, come. Eggs.
I like it's $1 cheaper than that.
I know, but they're not organic eggs either. The organic eggs are like,
That's different.
yeah.
But if you can buy these eggs, they like $1.99.
Okay, I'm gonna try this buttermilk thing. Buttermilk and regular milk. For we need butter and regular milk. It looks. How do you know if it's regular milk?
What do you mean?
What's the regular milk? This is all soy milk. Do they have regular milk? Seems like this is their regular milk. The small one, huh? I guess I'll just take 2 of these. 1, 2, and butter. Butter. Oh, Jerry, the milk is over here. No wonder. Guess every grocery store is a little different, huh?
I wish they had fresh meat.
Here, will you, organic, let's try this.
Look at these pythons.
Munchie, will you put the other 2 milks away?
These pythons. Put the other 2 milks away.
These, not this one, this is buttermilk.
The buttermilk going away?
No, just those 2. And I'll grab butter. Thank you. Okay, so I will just go with a sweet cream butter. There we go. Okay, so now we just need mashed potatoes and find the spice aisle. Spice. Are you my husband? Do you still understand what I'm saying? If you don't understand me, nobody will. Wow. Shall we get some paper towels? Do you think your mom's still? Yep. Okay. Oh my goodness. I think this grocery store is making me dizzy. I'm just following you. You must have a better instinct about this place. Maybe we should make this easier and fill them up before they taste my chicken. Oh, we can just get a Rhoda Street chicken. Aww. That was cute. This girl was just like, hi, hi. Sophie was like, hi. Like, do you know
Little kid.
Yeah, I think the mashed potato might be here. Sie hat einfach Hi zu dir gesagt, ne?
Ja, nur so.
Lustig. Lustig, lustig, tralalala. Yeah, okay. Good. Perfect. Spices. Spice, 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 spice.
I can reach up to Cameron's neck now.
Cameron's neck.
Yeah.
When have you seen Cameron?
Cameron, remember? Cameron, my cousin.
Yeah.
Remember?
Spices.
Cameron, too. Cameron's cousin.
Shall we get water, hon? Should probably grab some water. Nope. Spices, spices, spices. Okay.
Mom, look at these pythons. Look. These are some big pythons.
Why do you mean pythons? What is a python?
The python is like a snake, but Daddy calls pythons like this. This is what he does all the time. Look at these pythons. You see these pythons?
Daddy says that?
That's what he does.
And you sure you're not confusing it with biceps?
No. It says pythons. Ask him.
Maybe I will. $5? Oy, oy, oy. I think I'm gonna go with you. Meat tenderizer. Guess I should just take what I know and not try too much. Yep. That'll be good.